Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, how many accounts can I open in Revolut? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. What is Revolut? Before we get into the details of how many accounts you can open, let's take a quick look at what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including banking, investing, and currency exchange. Revolut is available in over 35 countries and has over 20 million customers worldwide. How many accounts can I open in Revolut? The answer to this question depends on your location and the type of account you want to open. If you are a resident of the European Economic Area, EEA, you can open up to 5 accounts. This includes 1 personal account. For business accounts, including sole trader, partnership, limited company, and charity. If you are not a resident of the EEA, you can open up to 2 accounts. This includes 1 personal account, 1 business account. In addition to the above, you can also open a joint account with another person. How to open a new Revolut account? Opening a new Revolut account is easy. All you need to do is download the Revolut app and follow the instructions. Once you have created your account, you can start using it immediately. Benefits of having multiple Revolut accounts. There are a number of benefits to having multiple Revolut accounts. Some of the benefits include keeping your finances organized. You can use different accounts for different purposes, such as your personal expenses, business expenses, and savings. Getting better exchange rates. Revolut offers some of the best exchange rates on the market. By having multiple accounts, you can take advantage of these rates and save money on your foreign currency transactions. Earning rewards. Some Revolut accounts offer rewards, such as cashback or air miles. By having multiple accounts, you can earn more rewards. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.